Hello kids, today we are going to see how to draw new earthing drawing. Before we draw, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Come, let's start. First step is to draw a slanted curve from left side and draw another slanted curve on right side. Now draw a curve at the middle. Draw a small upside down triangle on all three curves just by leaving small spaces in between. Draw a square and a sleeping line inside the square for the calendar. Since it is a new year, we are going to write January 1st. Now draw a circle for the clock. Write numbers inside the clock. 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Now draw two arrows, one big and small, both pointing at 12 o'clock. Now what year it is? 2022. So write number 2022. Draw a circle and triangle shape for the body. Two standing lines and an oval for the legs. Two slanted lines, one towards down and another towards up for the hand. Draw a slanted line for the balloon string. Draw eyes, nose and mouth inside the face. Draw an oval for the balloon. Draw a circle and triangle for a girl. Two standing lines and an oval for the legs. Two slanted lines, one towards down and another towards up for the hand. Draw eyes, nose and mouth inside the face. Draw a bow by using oval. Draw two slanted lines like alphabet V for the balloon strings. Draw two oval for the balloons. Draw a cone by using triangle and an oval. Draw one small and one big rectangle for the cake. Two small standing rectangle for the candles. Draw a big rectangle and small rectangle for the gift box. Write Happy New Year on each balloon. Let's start coloring. Green, yellow, gray, green, red, yellow, orange, give red color in an alternative triangle. Green on remaining triangle. Blue, peach, black, pink, peach, black, light blue, purple, orange, green, yellow, red, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, red, green, red, draw spiral and dots. You can use your own color combinations. That's it. See, it's very simple. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Wish you a very happy new year. Stay healthy and stay safe. See you.